A simple recipe for 3-ingredient pancakes you can whip up quickly.
These are really good.
Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share my family's favorite recipes and lots of kitchen tips for you to learn and get more confident in the kitchen. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. These bananas have overdone their stay on my counter, so it's time to whip up these pancakes. You can mash them with a fork in your bowl, or for the best texture, grab your ripe banana, place it in a zip bag, seal it up, and then use your hands to squeeze the banana. This is what gives it a really great mashed texture, and it'll help hold your pancake batter together. And then once it looks like this, you're simply going to take some scissors and cut the tip or the end off and pipe your mashed banana right out into your bowl. Check out the texture that you get from the zip bag method. It's so much better, and there are no big banana lumps in there. By the way, if you appreciate quick tips like that one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my videos for you. To the bananas, I'm going to add some eggs. And with your fork, you're going to want to whisk it all up. First, I like to break up the egg yolk and then incorporate the egg yolk and the egg white together and whisk it with the banana. If you find any big banana lumps, you can always take them to the side of the bowl and mash them with your fork. Now, to the bananas and egg mixture, I'm going to add a bit of all-purpose flour. I like to use a bigger scoop and measure it directly into the amount that I need. That way I don't overpack my flour and add too much. And then use your fork to mix it up into the batter. I'm making a bigger batch with 2 bananas and 4 eggs, but you can adjust the amount with the ingredient measurements below this video so you can make as many pancakes as you need. Now check out the batter. Your batter should look kind of like this. Because bananas vary in size, if your batter was a little bit thinner or runnier than what you just saw, just add 1 tablespoon of additional flour to the bowl and mix that in. I'm gonna be using my griddle today, but you can use a non-stick pan to cook your pancakes. And I'm going to use butter to grease the surface. You can use oil or spray, whichever one you prefer. Then I'm just gonna pour about 1/4 cup of pancake batter right onto the hot grease surface and cook the first side for about 2 minutes. Once the edges begin to start to look defined and your spatula goes in easily, you can flip these pancakes over. And I always recommend that you flip these over in the same order that you poured your batter in. Let's remove these from the griddle, and I want you to see how great they look inside. Check them out. These are some good looking pancakes with 3 ingredients. Grab the measurements and everything else you need right below this video. See you next time.